Selecting notes and other music symbols can be made in a variety of ways. If you have a very dense score and want to focus solely on the notes, turn off the layers you wish to temporarily hide. To make single selections, tap directly on a note head or other music symbol. Tap in the clear to deselect. If you have, select Event deselects others on, in the score settings menu, you can only have one event selected at a time when tapping to select. To make group selections, you can drag out a marquee rectangle. Double tap above or below the staff, then drag out a marquee rectangle. Events will get selected as they become enclosed by the rectangle. Most of the time, it is useful to keep on, drag selecting only selects notes, in the score settings menu. This will select only notes as you drag out the marquee rectangle. To select whole measures, double tap directly in a measure. A subsequent double tap will select a new measure and deselect all others. You can add a range of measures to your initial selection by a double tap and hold. You can also select contiguous measures by double tapping, then dragging to a new measure without releasing pressure. To select an entire staff, double tap on the staff name. To select the contents of an entire stack of measures, tap in the measure bar. To select the measures and not the contents, double tap in the measure bar.